Hello everyone, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching this video from. So I want to do a quick video on this Solana Testnet update. So this is what you are supposed to do. First of all, you can see the first thing you have to do is to claim Faucet Solana Testnet. So you use this link. I'm going to tap on the link once so that it takes me to where I can claim my Solana Testnet token. But first of all, I want to copy my wallet address. So I'm going to be using my Solfia Solana wallet first of all, so I can get my Solana testnet token. So you can see, first of all, you can see I have 14.8 Solana testnet token. So I'm going to click on the receiving wallet address, and then I'll copy it so I can use it for this update to claim the faucet, which is the testnet token. So this is what I'm going to do. First of all, you click on this link and then it takes you to the page where you have to claim the faucet so you can use it for the testnet. So I'm going to paste the wallet address here, and then for the amount I'm going to choose 5. You can see I've already connected my GitHub account. So because I'm already a developer and then I have a GitHub account that I've been using for over 5 years. So when you connect it, you can see it here, you have higher chances of claiming airdrop limit. So I'm going to confirm so I can claim 5 SOL. And then remember that you can claim maximum of 2 requests every 8 hours. So I'm going to hit on the verify and then wait for the verification page so I could tick it and then get my 5 Solana testnet tokens. So I'm going to click here and then I wait for it to be sent to my wallet. Successful, airdrop was sent. So I'm going to confirm again so I receive the second one, because you can claim twice every 8 hours. So I'm going to wait for the verification page also to load so I can click. So remember, if you don't have let me click here so I get it for the second time. So remember, if you don't have a GitHub account, you cannot claim this Solana testnet token. So I'm done with the claiming. So I'm going back to the remaining tasks. So you can see I've claimed the faucet. Next is to connect my wallet, use this link, and then claim all the faucet there. Go to dashboard, supply, and then borrow asset, then repay. This is what I'm supposed to do. So I'm going to copy this address, then I'll now come back to my wallet, which is the Solfair wallet that I'll be using. So I'm going to go to the browser. So first of all, let me show you the token I've claimed. Remember, initially I had 14.8, so you can see now I have 24.8, which means the additional 10 I just claimed now, you can see it reflecting in my wallet. So I'm going to the browser of my wallet. So if you're using Phantom wallet or the software wallet, you go to the browser and then you paste the address that I just copied, so you can use it to now go to the testnet page, and then you perform the whole tasks that are expected of you. So this is how you see the testnet page when it loads. So remember, before it finish loading, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you get notified, and click on the bell button so you get notified whenever I drop a video like this. And then you can let me know also in the comment section which video you want me to explain better for you. And then if this video also you find it helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button before you continue. So this is what you need to do. Here I've connected my wallet already. So if I had not connected, you see this place. Let me tap it so that I disconnect my wallet. So I'm going to click on connect so that I choose my software wallet. If you're using the Phantom wallet, you're going to choose your Phantom wallet to connect to this site. So you wait for it to finish connecting. Don't forget, click on the like button so this video gets pushed to others also to help them. So first thing you need to do when you're on this page, you have to click on this icon. You can see a little icon close to where I connected my wallet. Looks like a settings icon. Tap on it and then ensure that you switch from QuickNote RPC to Solana Definite. So I'm going to click on my Solana Definite, which is the same thing you would have done to your own Soulflare wallet or Phantom wallet, make sure you switch it to develop. Go to settings, go to developer mode, and then you switch it to Solana Definite. So that is more. So I've switched it to Solana Definite. Then I'm going to scroll here. This is because I have already claimed some faucet. So what you need to do here, after changing it to the Solana Definite, you click on faucet. You can see bottom, you can see dashboard and faucet. Click on faucet. So it takes you to the faucet page where you get to claim different faucet, which are all testnet tokens that are going to use to perform this task. So you can see here I haven't minted anyone. Here is showing 00. So I'm going to click on mint for bonk. First of all, you can see I have 6 million bonk to claim. So I'll click on claim and then I wait for this to load. It's telling me network mismatch. So let me close it. Probably these settings have changed. Okay, it's still showing. So for you who is just starting, you won't see all these different testnet tokens. This is because I've been minting for the past few days. So always make sure you click on this and then you switch it to Solana DevNet. Then you click on mint. You can see here we have 4 million bonk. So I'm going to click on mint. You can see I have 6 million to claim. So I'll click on claim and then wait for it to load. Then I confirm the transaction. Now what I'll be using as gas fee to confirm this transaction will be the Solana testnet token that I just claimed initially. So I'll wait for it to load so that I can confirm. It has finished loading. So I'll wait for the confirm button to be active. You can see the network Solana Definite for me to claim 6 million tokens. So let me wait for the confirm button to be active. So you you do same for all these faucet. These are different testnet tokens. You mint all of them. When you are done minting them, so check bottom, you see where there is faucet and dashboard. Remember, you click on faucet first to mint, then we'll go back to dashboard. Then you see all the faucet I've minted already, and then I can use them to perform the task for this testnet. So let's wait for. So it has finished loading. This is where you get to see. Always remember to switch this and make sure it's on Solana Definite so you don't have any challenge. So you can see these are the tokens I've minted. So you can see them here. All the tokens I've minted. What you have to do next here will be, you can see from the tax. From the tax, first of all, you claim all faucet, then you go back to Dex to dashboard, then supply before you borrow. So we are done minting, so we are coming back. You click on this dashboard. We use faucet to mint, so you click on dashboard to come back so you can supply. You can see asset to supply. So you click on this supply. You can see I have 4 million bonk here. You can decide to select I want to supply 2 million. So when you supply this is what you do. You supply for all the faucet. When you are done supplying, you're going to see them here up as your supplies. It will be here. So you can see I've supplied 115 for Oka, which is worth $389. I've supplied all this bunk. I've supplied 8 million bunk, which is $218. I'm done supplying all of them. When you are done supplying, look at the next tax, supply, and then you borrow asset, then you repay. So let's go back and see how to borrow. Let me use my fingerprint. So after supplying, then you scroll down, you will see borrow. So you can see when you supply, you're only supplying those faucets so that they serve as collateral that you want to use to borrow. So you can see my total supply here. Let me check. My total supply is what? Look at it. Collateral $1,203. So which will now allow me to be able to borrow loan of $772. So you click on borrow. When you click on borrow, you enter maybe $100 or $20 or $500, depending on the amount which you are capable of borrowing. When you type the amount, you hit on this borrow, and then you wait for it to load also. Then you confirm the transaction. As soon as the transaction is being confirmed, then you see a button for repay. You click repay also, and then repay the whole loan balances you've borrowed. So you repeat this same process from claiming. So you can see When the confirm button is active, I'll click on the confirm button. You do this and then you repeat this over 5 times, 6 times, depending on the number of times you can do it. So this is how you get to do it, and then you get to qualify for this airdrop. It's very simple. Just follow it step by step. When you are done, you repeat the same process from beginning to the end. Keep doing it because we don't know how the airdrop is going to be. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to drop your comments. Click subscription button and then hit the bell button so that you get notified each time I drop this kind of videos. And then you make sure you like this video also if you find this video helpful. Thank you, and then I see you again next time.